Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. These are going to be some handle pulls, and I'll show you guys what they are here. So this is what they look like here. They are black, and they are kind of squared off on the ends. They are in little Ziplocs, but I'm going to break it open anyways. But you see here, this is kind of how it looks, and it's got a little sticky tape on it there. So you could sticky it onto here like this, and then you have your pull like that. Or it also has the little hole so you can screw it into place. So if you want it to be more permanent, they're not going on these drawers here. These drawers have handles. And also this is a rental. It's going on some furniture that I'm putting together. So, but that's what it's for. So you can have the little pulls and have them there. And this is a nice little profile, and it's made out of like a brushed nickel. You can see it's kind of a black finish on it, satin black finish. And it comes with, looks like there's 5 of them in here. So you get a good set of 5. So really cool. To have these, and these are going to be super convenient.